Hello lovelies, I hope you're well. So we've got 48 hours left of the early bird price for The Importance of Being Yourself, the show that I'm running in Harrogate on the 7th of March. It's at the Royal Hall and it's 2 hours of insights, wisdom, a little adventure for the soul. We're going to have different guests on the stage sharing some of their stories, and I've got some secrets, some treats up my sleeve for you. And let me tell you, it's really hard not to put it all over my website, some of the things that we're doing, because they're just really lovely, but I'm just going to have to sit on it. So get your tickets now. They're just the price of 2 coffees, £10, and then come Friday, is it Saturday the 7th anyway, the price is going up to £17.50. So get your tickets, bring your friends, and let's all come together in one room, under one roof, and really have a fabulous couple of hours. Like and share this film, invite your friends along. All right, my lovelies, hope to see you there. Bye.